Hey, we're going to do another pork belly here. We got our cup of salt, cup of brown sugar, some special rub here. This is some rub I got off the internet here. That should put a nice little bit of flavor into there too. Of course, this is a maple smoke, so of course we have to have maple. And here we go. We're gonna put, I don't know. I'm gonna go with, half a cup. Half a cup of maple syrup in there. I messed this up a little bit here. I'll tell you one thing. That smells fucking... A little bit of water. About a quarter cup. Just enough to... Yeah, it's enough to get that mixed together there, just like that. And I got like a slurry there now. That's our curing liquid, slurry curing liquid for our pork belly bacon. Now, I bought this pork belly at the store. It does not have a rind on it. It is rindless, which is the way you want to really go with that. Okay, we're going to put a little bit of that into the bottom of this, just because that's what that's going to be. You don't want to lick your fingers off of that stuff. It is fucking salty. It will assault you. Anyhow, this is 2.5 kilograms. Pretty good. I checked the price. Okay, if you want to buy bacon, it's twice as much. This is $12 a kilogram. The bacon comes in at 24 bucks a pound. So that's half the price right there. We're just gonna open that up. Just like that. Messy. All right, let's get that out of the bag. All right. There we go. That's going to make some real nice bacon. That's got some nice meat in it on this one. Yeah. Okay, we're going to set that down in here. Okay. Okay, I had to get the biggest Pyrex dish in the house. Yeah, that one wouldn't fit. There we go. That is a snug in a bug rug thug. Let's put a little bit more on top here. There we go. Probably could have scored this baby. And I believe I will. Pretty sure. There we go. Got that all scored now. Maybe that'll get a little deeper. Yeah, this shit don't want to come out the way it should. Yeah. Anyhow, there she is. She's all done. Okay, here we go. See if we can squeeze this bugger into a bag. This is going to be messy and tight. Tight like your first girlfriend. That's what this is going to be. Tight like your first girlfriend. All right, well, this is really going to be a bit of a chore. Let's see if we can fold the bag back a little bit. I don't know, boys and girls. This is gonna be tight, baby. This is gonna be tight. Here we go. Come on. Try not to do that. I'm pretty sure if we really squeeze, we can get this fucker into the bag. This is going to be a chore. One thing I will say, there shouldn't be too much of a problem. Oh, look at this, folks. It's going. It's going. It ain't easy. But it's going. I wonder how flat it's going to sit in here. Okay. Come on. Oh. Yeah, we'll have to speed that up. Because if we don't, it'll be hilarious trying to watch that. And that'll be so fucking slow. It'll be unbelievable. Well, at least I can see those score marks I put in it. Now, that's nice. Baby. That is unbelievable. We're getting there. Oh, thank God the meat can be compressed. You know what can't be compressed? Water can't be compressed. Did you know that? You cannot compress water. It is where it is. It won't get any tighter or anything. Let's see if I can. Oh, let's just see if I can. Oh my God! Almost. Let me just keep the bag straight. Oh, come on, keep the bag straight. Get to the bottom of the bag. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. That was a fucking job, that was. Now even funnier. I gotta get the rest of this marinade in there. Isn't that gonna be fun? Just a fucking joy. Right. Oh, what a mess. What an absolute mess. Gonna get the rest of the marinade in this bag. Oh. So messy. So messy. There we go. How's that? And then get somebody on the back part too. Here we go. I'm gonna get some into the back. Yeah, that's right. Like that. There we go. There's some marinade in there now, I'll tell you that, kids. Mm-hmm. Excellent. Next order of business. Gotta clean that bag up so that we can seal it up. Where's that cloth? Over there. Because we were trying to get this thing a bit of a clean too. Seems like it won't work really well lately. Anyhow, okay. What a pain in the ass that stuff had to be there. All right. See if we can't get the inside of this bag at least clean enough so we can seal it. But she's a bit dirty in with the all the marinade there. We want to make sure when we seal it that it has a decent seal. Alright. Here we go. Wish me luck. Hopefully it's gonna work for me. We shall see. I have to stop her right there because any more than that, and the fucker will just won't work right. How'd that do? We're going to double seal that for sure. We're going to double seal that, no doubt at all. I'll make fucking sure that fucker's sealed. Okay. That should have done her. I'm not even sure if that's, oh yeah. That should be sealed up. Should have done it the first time and not the second. The stupidity of that was. Anyhow, there it is. All ready to go in the fridge. On the fridge for 7 days. Then we'll take her out and we'll clean her up and we'll smoke it, just like the other one we did.